Oh my God, what did I do? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's really echoey in here. We are in my bathroom, so I'm sorry about the echo, but we need to be in my bathroom because we're gonna be cutting my hair today. Oh my God, I think, as long as I don't chicken out. I have really long, like it doesn't even fit in the camera fully, but let me try to show you. So I have really long black hair. I've had my hair this length for quite a while now, and I really like it this length, but I am losing my hair right now. It's shedding due to from when I had COVID. To kind of help give my hair a little more volume and to cut off all of the dead shit on the bottom here. I don't know, you can probably see it from here, like that's some dead ass hair. We're gonna be giving myself a haircut. I've never done this before, and we're doing a very specific haircut, and as you can tell by the title, I am going to be trying a wolf cut. This has been trending all over YouTube. I think it started on TikTok or something. I've been thinking about it, and I'm gonna try it today. So I figured I would record it. I watched a few of Brad Mondo's wolf cut videos. I saw him react to someone and I liked the way she did it, and it looked really good. And we're gonna try to do that on myself. So since I like the length of my hair, I'm gonna try to keep as much length as humanly possible, but I feel like giving myself like some layers and just getting rid of some of the dead stuff on the end, I feel like it'll help, you know, with all of the shedding and the hair loss that is currently happening. So, oh God. It was longer, and recently, maybe like, I don't know, a few weeks ago, I cut off like my hair was down to here, it was down to my hip bones, and I cut that much off, but it's just not, more needs to come off, and it's very flat, it's very one-dimensional, and I just need some layers in there, so we're gonna try it. I do have quite a bit of rootage going on because I'm not coloring my hair. All right, we're gonna try to do this. Oh my gosh, I'm like nervous, I'm scared, but it needs to happen, and at the end of the day, it's just hair, right? Like, you know, it's gonna grow back, it'll be fine. The first step that we need to do is I need to put my hair up in a ponytail at the very top of my head. I believe it's called the apex, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna try to do a ponytail on the very top of my head. This is gonna keep that length, I think is how that works. And I'm gonna try to put it up in a ponytail with as little bumps as possible. That's the goal here. So, let's try to do that. I'm so nervous. I usually, I have not had a full haircut in Lord knows how long. Usually I just cut my hair myself at home, and I usually just cut the ends, trim the ends, the dead ends and stuff. I did have a side cut a while ago, and as you can see, that is in the process of growing out, so if you see all those random hairs, that is from when I had the side of my head shaved. This is really hard to do, and I'm technically not supposed to be putting my hair up in any really high tight ponytails because my hair is really fragile right now, but this is the step that you gotta do for a wolf cut, so here we go. Oh, I really hope this turns out okay. Oh my God. How do people do this with no bumps? How the fuck? Trying to get it as high in my head. So I have the ponytail on the top of my head. Probably as good as I'm gonna get it. Look at that. My hair is so long. It's insane. So the next step after you do this is to cut. I don't know how much I'm gonna cut off yet, but you can see like just how scraggly and dead and just weak my hair is. I'm just gonna brush it up like this. So I think I'm gonna cut that much off. I'm like sweating. This is so nerve-wracking. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay, we're gonna cut that much off. Oh my god, I think that's too much. I'm gonna do this, okay? Alright, ready guys? Like it's just hair, you psychotic freak. Here we go, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so that's what my ponytail looks like now. This is all the hair I cut off. Oh my god. And I'm using hair cutting shears. Got these off Amazon. I also have my thinning shears. These are the ones that I use at work. I'm a dog groomer, so these are my dog grooming shears. Not too much different from hair cutting scissors, honestly. So now I'm just gonna kind of point cut a little bit. Alright, so next I'm gonna take the ponytail out. It still looks like kind of long, but oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, alright, so we kept some length. We kept some length, that's good. Whew, I can calm down a little bit. I don't know why that looked like so much hair to me. I might actually end up doing more. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Doesn't look too much different, but I am seeing some layers in here. Like we have some here, and here, and here. So I think I'm actually going to cut off just a little bit more. So again, we're gonna do the same process. I'm gonna take all the hair and bring it to the highest point of my head again. And I think the thing with the wolf cut is it's supposed to be like a one cut haircut, like a one cut wonder kind of thing. I am a natural blonde, so my roots look 10 times more ridiculous than usual. Tell you what, the hardest thing about this is getting the damn ponytail up on top of your head. Tell you what, maybe like that much more. Alright, so these were getting a little too dull for me, so I'm actually going to use my dog grooming shears. These are my Arteros. These are just my 5.5 inch straights, and these were recently sharpened, so they're really sharp, and I think they will cut my hair better. Do a little bit of point cutting. So we're going to take the ponytail out again, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I still see some length. That's a good thing. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. I don't know, I don't see like, I mean, I see some layers like over here. So here's my hair. I mean, yeah, you can kind of see it a little bit. I don't know if I should do a little bit more or not. Should I? So I'm gonna do it a little bit more, take a little bit more off, and then we're gonna do the over direct thing in the front to kind of get those like face framing layers, because I really want that. Like my ponytail looks so short now. Okay, so I brought it not as far on top of my head. I don't know if that is going to make or break this. Guess we'll find out. It's so hard to cut straight, my god. And I call myself a dog groomer. Here's what my hair looks like now after the third cut. I am starting to see like some more layers, but it's not like super drastic. I think I'm just gonna like leave it like this, I guess. So the next thing is we're going to do the face framing. So I'm gonna take right in front of my ear. So we're gonna take all this hair right here. Okay. We're gonna move all this back here. Got my little hair clip. And what you do is you want to over direct this hair this way and just cut. I feel like that looks too blunt. Okay. And then I'm just going to take my thinners and just very lightly kind of like soften the edges a little bit. I don't know if I like that, but we did that side, so now we have to do this side. And I didn't even think that this side is going to be a tad different because I have short hair on this side. Oh yeah, that's awkward. I don't know, I feel like the face framing layers are like too short. Maybe I like cut too much off. I'm gonna do one more cut. I'm at work and I'm trying to groom a face. Sometimes I just don't know when to stop. Like a dog's face. Like if I'm trying to do a round head, it's like I just don't know when to stop. I just get carried away. And I guess I'm the same way with my hair.
Hi, honey. What's she doing?
My dog came to check on me, Jackal.
What are you doing?
Do you need to go potty? Yeah. I just don't think this cut like works for me for some reason. Like when other people do it, it looks so cute. But on me, I'm like, girl, I don't think it's doing much. My hair after the fourth cut. I don't know if it's just because it's like really straight right now, and that's why. I don't know if you're supposed to like curl this or style this in a certain way. Like we are getting layers. I just don't know if they're short enough. You know, I don't know. Can you guys like see the difference at all? So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the back, because I don't really know what it looks like back there. So here's what it looks like in the back. I think what I need to do is put the fucking scissors down and stop cutting my hair. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take a shower, and then we'll see what it looks like in the morning once everything is like air dried and natural and clean, and we'll go from there. But I mean, I don't know, I thought it was gonna be like a little more dramatic than this, but it's really kind of not. As I keep picking up the scissors. Okay, so here's what it looks like after the initial everything. I don't know how I feel about it. It's like, it's not really like that big of a difference. I'm gonna hop in the shower, I'm gonna rinse all the hair off me and clean up my mess, and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. I don't know. I don't think the wolf cut works. On me, at least. Hey guys, so it is the next morning since I decided to give myself a long wolf cut. So last night, after I finished cutting my hair, I jumped in the shower, I cleaned it really well, and then this morning I woke up and kind of styled it a little bit, just kind of put a few like curls in just to see if I could like see a difference. And I did also cut a couple more inches off the bottom, so my hair was like, I think down to here when we started, and I took it up here. It definitely like feels healthier, and I mean you can see the layers and stuff, like the short ones around the face and just on my head and stuff. And I also don't know if it's a black hair thing, because like with my job, whenever we have a black dog with black hair, it's always hard to see what you're doing because of the contrast. So I don't know if it's like the same with like my hair, but yeah, I don't really know. I don't really see a difference. I mean, I guess like, I I don't know, kind of, I guess. I don't know. I just feel like the wolf cut didn't really work for me. I don't know if like I have to go substantially shorter with it, but yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think of it? Like, do you guys personally see a difference at all? Not really so sure if I do. Like, I know there's layers in there, but I don't know. Does my hair look, you know, does it look a little more full? I'm gonna leave it for a while and just see kind of how it grows out and like what happens with it. Personally, I think this was a little bit of a fail. Didn't work for me, but I'll still upload this video anyway because why not? Share all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comments. If I did anything wrong, if I could have done something differently, let me know down below. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this interesting like little hair cutting video. I cut off a lot of hair. Like, it looks like I cut off a lot of hair, but it doesn't like look like it. You know what I mean? Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. As the rest of you, I love you guys so very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!